question 26. It's a calculator question and it wants us to solve this quadratic equation. Now, it does say give the answer to 2 decimal places and it's in a calculator paper, so it would be fair to make the assumption that it cannot be factorised and we have to use the quadratic formula instead. Now, this is given to you in the exam, but you do not need to know how to use it. So this is the quadratic formula. So the first thing we want to do is find our values of A, B and C. So 5x squared minus 11x plus 4 equals 0. And ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. A is 5, B is minus 11, and C is 4. Okay, and we have to then look at the formula. So x is minus b. In fact, let's go down a bit. I'm going to copy this down. X equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. I know you're thinking, this is easy, I have the formula given to me. The difficulty is you have to make sure you A, know how to use it, and B, you copy this down exactly as it appears. So you must have the minus in front of the B. So this, you must have the square root sign over the discriminant and nothing else. So like that. And the divide line has to be over the entire of minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and that's all dividing by 2a. Let's plug the values in. So minus b is minus 11 plus minus the square root of minus 11 squared minus 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4, and we divide by 2a is 2 times 5. Minus 11 is just 11. Then we get the square root of 11 squared minus 11 squared is the same as 11 squared. So 121 minus 80 is 41, and that's all divided by 10. I'm going to continue on this page. Get plus or minus 41 divided by 10. So then what we want to do is we want to put into the calculator 11 plus the square root of 41, and the first thing that comes up is 17.403124 2, all divided by 10. Or alternatively, we can do 11 minus the square root of 41, and this would be 4.596 8.758 over 10. We just evaluate them and we get 1.74031242. We also get the solution of 0.4596 8.758. We have to give the answer to 2 decimal places. So start with this one first. Count 2 decimal places in, and the digit to the right is 0, so we round it down to 1.74. So to 2 decimal places, we have x is either going to be 1.74, or if we take 2 decimal places in and the digit to the right is a 9, so we round up to 0.46. So I hope you found this useful, and best of luck with the studying. Thank you for watching.